People will say we're in love.
Nakita ko po ang mahal na birhen. Sa burol po. Kanina habang may eclipse. Nakaputing-puting damit po siya. May pelong asul, may sugat sa dibdib. Umiiyak po siya at saka nawala.
And how do we begin to covet? We begin by coveting what we see every day.